Now, El Martinez has a great doc on how to install this. It's a lot, but you can do it. And if you just want a quick start, he does have a few lines of code for Linux and Mac users. Fair warning, this is CPU only. You can't really take advantage of RAG without a GPU, which is what I wanted to do. So here's my very specific scenario. I've got a Windows PC with an NVIDIA 4090. How do I run this Linux-based project? WSL. And I'm so thankful to this guy, Emilian Lancelot. He put an entire guide together of how to set this up. I'm not gonna walk you through every step because he already did that. Link below. But I seriously need to buy this guy a coffee. How do I do that? I don't know. Emilian, if you're watching this, reach out to me, I'll send you some coffee. So anyways, I went through every step, from installing all the prereqs, to installing NVIDIA drivers, and using Poetry to handle dependencies, which Poetry is pretty cool. I landed here. I've got a private, local, working, private GPT that I can access through my web browser. And it's using my GPU, which is pretty cool. First I try a simple document upload. I got this VMware article that details a lot of what we talked about in this video. I upload it, and I start asking it questions about this article. I tried something specific, like show me something about VMware AI market growth.